If you've forgotten your eBay password or want to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the eBay sign-in page. Visit the eBay website and click on the sign-in button. This will take you to the login page where you can find the option to reset your password. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your eBay account. Fill in the required information and click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Check your email. eBay will send you an email with instructions to reset your password. Open your email inbox, find a message from eBay, and follow the link provided in the email. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you click the link, you will be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password, enter it twice for confirmation, and then submit your new password. Now you can log into your eBay account with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider using a password manager for future logins.